Picture this. It's a Thursday afternoon and you get a single text. Call me now. You rush to the school and learn the principal called the police. Suddenly, your Sunday Eagles plans feel a million miles away. Welcome to Danny's Den. Let's chat. In the next 10 minutes, I'll give you practical steps so you can move from panic to action. How to tell when a school issue becomes a legal one. What to do in the first day or two. Tiny scripts you can actually say out loud. When to call a lawyer, and how to keep family rituals, like bedtime or game day, steady. Start with one quick question. Is this school discipline, or is it a legal matter? Schools handle detentions, suspensions, and in-school removals. Those are administrative decisions. But when there's a weapon, a serious injury, an alleged sexual act, or a credible threat of violence, that's when police and juvenile systems tend to show up. Not every shove becomes criminal, but certain triggers move things out of the principal's office and into law enforcement's hands. Districts differ. Some call police the minute they suspect a weapon. Others reserve it for clear harm. So first thing I want you to ask for is the district disciplinary policy, in writing. Ask politely and ask now. If you walk into a scene and there are officers there, slow down. Right away, protect your choices. Do not let your child be pressured into long, on-the-spot statements without a parent or attorney present. You can say, "We want to cooperate, but we'll speak more after we consult with our attorney." That line buys you time and keeps options open. I know, it's terrifying. But you don't have to act like you know everything. Short, steady replies are powerful. Here are the immediate actions to take in the first 24 to 48 hours. Get names and badge numbers of any officers on scene. Get names and titles of school staff involved, and request the incident report and any written referrals or surveillance logs. Write down who you spoke to, when, and what they said. Even a quick note on your phone with timestamps helps later. And please, preserve any messages, videos, or social posts connected to the incident. Screenshots with timestamps, then back them up. If the school resists giving records, keep your tone steady and say, "I'd like a copy of the incident report and the district disciplinary policy in writing as soon as possible. Thank you." Simple, professional, and it creates a paper trail. You might wonder, when exactly do I call an attorney? Call one if there is an arrest, fingerprinting, or a juvenile referral. Also call if your child faces a long suspension, potential expulsion, or if the school is threatening court. On that first call with a lawyer, ask, could this go to juvenile court? How will this affect my child's school record? And could there be custody or visitation consequences while this is unresolved? Those 3 questions shape the immediate legal strategy. If cost worries you, remember, there are resources: juvenile defense clinics, legal aid groups, law school clinics, and sometimes free consults through bar associations. Public defenders are available if charges proceed. Ask the school social worker for referrals too. They often know local supports. Now, let's talk about home. The legal mess is one thing. The emotional fallout for your child is another. Keep routines as consistent as you can. Bedtime, homework, meals, keep them steady. Rituals are anchors. Keep one ritual sacred. If Sunday is game day, whether you're an Eagles or Yankees household, try to keep that pre-game ritual in place. Even a small walk, a sandwich made the same way, or the same playlist can say, some things are unchanged. Use the same name from earlier when you talk to a co-parent. For example, I know this is scary. I'm gathering facts and talking to an attorney. In the meantime, let's keep Sam's bedtime and Sunday game routine the same. We'll decide big changes together after we have more information. That sentence calms kids and signals cooperation to schools and courts. Small rituals help reset emotions. Put on a familiar 90s R&B tune while you make dinner or drive. It gives a predictable cue that it's time to breathe and come back to baseline. My pick for a quick emotional reset is a mellow 90s R&B song most families recognize. Nothing dramatic, just something soulful that lets kids exhale. Keep that playlist ready. Okay, quick checklist, short beats so you can jot them down. Get names and badge numbers. Preserve messages, videos, and social posts, screenshots, and backups. Request incident reports and school policies in writing, preferably by email. Limit statements until you consult a lawyer. Short, polite, and firm replies only. Preserve routines, bedtime, homework, and that game day ritual you all love. A final note, this episode is general information, not tailored legal advice. Laws and school policies differ by state and district, so consult a local attorney for your specific situation. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to Danny's Den so you don't miss future episodes about law, love, sports, and pop culture. If you want to speak with me about a particular case, email Danielle@thelegalassistancecenter.net to book a free 30-minute consultation. Let's chat.